Hello friends and welcome to our channel. In today's videos I will show you and tell you how you can make all your public posts on Facebook private. Friends, please subscribe to the channel, put your likes and comments after watching this video. So let's get started. And open the Facebook app on your phone. Then when you open it, go to your page. Then click on the three dots next to the word Edit. And select Activity Log here. Wait for it to load. And select Public Posts. And in a few seconds you'll be shown all your posts that are public. And you can scroll through them and select the ones you want to hide. And you can also click on All at the top. And that way you'll see all your posts. Then click on the three dots in the bottom right corner. Then select Change Order. And now here you can choose what your posts are going to be. You can keep them for just your friends to see. Or you can hide them completely, for more privacy if that's important to you. And keep them just for yourself. Once you choose the option you're comfortable with, this is how you can easily make all your public posts private on Facebook. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please, friends, give us your likes and comments, and don't subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye.